Hello, trading is closed on March 13th, 2019. Yesterday we said this was a very negative pattern. Futures were down, and we said unless we gapped over these highs, lower prices should print. Well, we gapped over the highs, so before the open, the calls killed. There wasn't any call for today. Kill before the open. This is a duplicate of yesterday's pattern. Gapping up, hitting new highs, can't hold on to anything. It's a negative pattern. Lower prices print unless we invalidate it by gapping up, gapping either direction, and promptly taking out that high. Tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early high, tends to have a late high, most of the time rallies all the day, closes near the high. If it fails, it drops in a straight line. So I think the open is going to be helpful for us. If we take this out early, if we gap up, nothing's impossible in this market, I guess. I would vote for the all-day rally. But if we don't, it's a negative pattern. Doesn't mean we have to close negatively, because the pattern still tends to rally most of the day. But again, if it fails, it drops in a straight line. And if we can't take this out, we look for tradably lower prices. During the day, MEJTs ultimately both lower and higher prices with print tends to lead to wishy-washy trade. A rally, so it wouldn't stick. Drop, so it was false. A rally again, so it was false. And all these retracements have taken place. Well, tomorrow's call is pretty clear. If we don't take this out, we see lower prices. What isn't as clear is the long-term pattern. At least it isn't clear to me at this time. I had thought this was going to hold. I thought that taking out some of these lows would seal the deal, and obviously that wasn't true. Now, how high could we go? Well, this actually is a target of the prior consolidation. But if it works, the downside projection is under 2,500, and that looks pretty much out of reach to me at this time. Of course, when we were down here, I thought 2,800 looked out of reach. So it's a possible end for the rally, but I'm not convinced that's the end of it. Doesn't mean we have to be up tomorrow. If we do drop, if this does hold, there's probably some pattern that I'm not recognizing. But for tomorrow at least, and I just take these things one day at a time, we take this out early or we see lower prices, and that's today's call.